Hi everyone, welcome to my DE2. So in this DE2, I'll be talking about the one of the specific parts of my business that I could turn to a moat to make my business more defendable and make it more unique. So the moat that I'm trying to implement here is that I will have or expand into more sections in order to have a more diverse working space, as well as more areas where I can reach my customers with. So these include website designs, branding designs, 3D designs, and etc. So the pros of this is that it gives me a lot of advantages. Firstly, it gives me a lot of sections, meaning that if the opponent, like the competitors, have more of like triumph over me and my business in one section, for example branding design, I would still have something like 3D design or website design to like win over them and eventually win customers because of more of my general ideas. Secondly, it also gives my employees the chance to improve themselves, since we're working with a lot of materials, meaning that the employees will have to improvise in order to keep up with our business track, work, and understanding. So the cons is that it reduces my competition. Firstly, since each section, for example 3D design, branding designs, has its own expertise or experts in that section, the competition will be like really hard for me, since I'm like a general thing. So I can't really specialize in like every part at once, because that would tire out our man forces and financial power. So in order to improve this, I think that to truly turn this idea into a moat, I should try and master. My company should primarily focus on one or two sectors, such as website design or branding designs, so that we master those things and have a strong boundary for us to experiment on other sections so that we can expand our business. So we should also invest really wisely and avoid investing in ideas such as decorations or unnecessary costs, such as an expensive PC for better internet, while good internet is not needed and is only a slight hindrance. So that's my covering for the DE2. In conclusion, I think that in order to turn my moat idea into a thing that like fits my pros and cons, I think I should master 1 to 2 sections first, then use those as boundaries to expand and experiment more on others. So that's all for my DE2. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.